Welcome to another episode of David's Kitchen, and I'm going to show you how I make my cinnamon roast. When you want to make cinnamon roast like this, just follow along with me, and I'll show you how I make these cinnamon rolls. 4 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 1/3 cup of sugar. 1/3 cup. 1 teaspoon of salt. Just 1. Next, you want to get a saucepan, a small saucepan, and you want 1 cup of milk, and you want to get it to a warm temperature around 120 to 130. Next, you want to get a stick of butter in here, and this equals to about this equals to about 1/3 cups. This, you want to put 3 egg yolks into your batter. The temperature you want your milk to be, with a little bit of butter in it. You mainly want it at around 122 or something like that, but that right there will do just fine. Okay. Just want to sprinkle in 1 pack of yeast, like that. Then we're going to give it a good stir. Stir in all this yeast. Okay, that's what we're looking for, and so we're going to dump this into our batter. Into the batter right now. Put all that in there. Put it in there. Let this incorporate into the dough. And what we're looking for is a good solid dough, a ball dough. What you want to do, when you get the dough ready, you want to put it in a big old bowl like this and let it rise. Put a little bit of oil on it. It rose up for a second time. Now we're going to punch it down, get the air out of that. Then we're going to put it onto the surface. Look at that good old dough. And we're going to roll this out, and I'll come back in a minute and show you. First thing you want to do, you want to start spreading on the butter real thick like. Get this real buttery before we do anything else. Then we'll put the cinnamon on next. After you get the cinnamon all brushed on, that'd be good enough right there. We'll come back over with more cinnamon in a minute. We're going to sugar all over this, quite a bit of sugar. You want to put a lot of sugar on this. Just spread it out all over. And then we're going to roll this up. The time you roll it up, like this, roll it up. You want to brush some more on. Get that real brushed in, because you want this to be real ultimate cinnamon. Put some sugar with that on top of it. You get it rolled up. You want to have it rolled up like this, and then you want it to look like that right there. Cut this small piece off right there. And we're going to put a little bit of cinnamon right over the top of them. Make them look a lot better. Kind of give them a brush down. Make them look glossier. Never have too much cinnamon. Nice, good cinnamon roll. We're going to do a taste test on this. I'm going to go with this one right here. It's the prettiest. Oh my god, that's good. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and do support my channel, and I'll bring you more, and I'm glad to have y'all.